Welcome to One World, Same Blood at gmail.com. Kaduna State, lovely state, wonderful state, the capital of northern civilization. Let me put it that way, in the olden days. But Kaduna State, a very great state, had become a weeping state, had become a mourning state, had become a state whereby killing happen almost every week or every month. And this same blood message is for every one of us in Kaduna State to know that the blood of the Muslim and the blood of the Christian is one. There is nothing like Christian blood or Muslim blood. There is only human blood. And I want to say that this killing is primarily because of religion. As the reason. Even this week, there was killing in Kaduna State. This is July 2020. There was killing twice this month or this week in Kaduna State. Why? Religion. Nothing but religion. It's not ethnicity. But I want us to know something. All of us in Kaduna State and in Nigeria, Plateau, Kaduna, Kebbi, Sokoto, Katsina, Kano, Jigawa, Zamfara. I want you to know something. That all of us are one blood. And that also, blood is superior to religion. Blood is superior to tribe. Listen to me. When you were born religionless. You were not born with any religion. When you were born tribeless. But you were not born bloodless. You were born bloodful. The reason why you were born alive is because there was blood running in you, not religion running in you, not tribe running in you. So I want you to know that our blood is superior to our religion. Our blood is superior to our tribes. Yes, I know that some religious bigots, some traditional bigots, and they will not agree. Some pastors and some reverends and some Christians will never accept this message. They will say, how can you say the blood of a Christian is the same with the blood of a Muslim? And some Muslims will never agree. They will say, how can you say that the blood of a Muslim is the same with a Christian? And they will tell you an army. They will tell you it's not possible. But let me say this to you. Let me shock you. As a Muslim, as a Christian, let me shock you. In the Quran, the book of Yunus, chapter 10, verse 19, the opening of that chapter 10 said, human being, mankind is one. Then verse 19 says, mankind is but one nation. That's what the Quran said. So if as a Muslim, you don't believe that the blood of the Christian and the blood of the Muslim is one, it simply means you don't believe the Quran. It simply means you don't believe God. You don't believe Allah. In the Bible, it is also written, Acts chapter 17 and verse 26, it says that he has made all nations of one blood and he has determined their boundaries before time. God has made all nations, not just people in Kaduna State, not just people in Nigeria, not just people in West Africa, not just people in Africa, but he has made of all nations of one blood, and he, God, determined their boundaries before time. So it's not an accident that all the tribes in Kaduna State are of one blood and are in one state. I want you to know that when you slept last night, your blood didn't sleep, but your tribe and your religion, your language was asleep when you went to sleep because you were not speaking your language or your tribe or your religion in your sleep. You were not. Let me put it this way. When you went to sleep last night, as a Christian, as a Muslim, Whether you are Baju or you are Jabba or you are Ninzo or you are Ham, or we call the Jabbas or the Nogs, whatever, or Fulani or Hausa, whatever, or Bagi in Kaduna State, or an Igbo man or a Hausa man or Yoruba man or a Kanuri man or a Bura man or a Biro man or Bache Rukuba man in Kaduna State, when you went to sleep last night, your blood didn't go to sleep, but your tribe went to sleep. Your language went to sleep. Your religion went to sleep. Let me put it this way. When you went to sleep, your tribe was dead when you were sleeping. Your religion was dead when you were sleeping. It is when you wake up that you practice religion, but your blood was not dead. Your blood was not silenced. So between religion, tribe, language, and blood, which one is superior? As you are listening to this video, you are not speaking your language. You are not doing your religion, which means your religion is silenced. Your tribe is silenced, but your blood is running, is flowing while listening to this video. So which one is important? Also, when you say the blood of the Christian and the blood of the Muslim is not the same, if you disagree with me, I ask you this question. What if a Christian become a Muslim? What happens with his blood? At what point would the blood of a Christian that convert to Islam change and become an Islamic blood or a Muslim blood? When a Muslim become a Christian, what happens with his blood? With his Muslim blood, there's anything like that. But there's nothing like that. Nothing like Muslim blood or Christian blood. Also, if you say the blood of the Muslim is different from the blood of a Christian, what if a Muslim marries a Christian or a Christian marries a Muslim, and it's happening every now and then? What happens with the blood? So you see that all those things that were told us by our ancestors, our religious leaders, that we are not of the same blood, we are lies. In the eyes of God, we are blood brothers. Christians and Muslims are blood brothers. I said it somewhere. That blood brother or blood sister does not mean the person you are born from the same parent or the same womb. In God's definition, we are all blood brothers and blood sisters by the Quran. Listen. It's also said, Leviticus chapter 17, verse 11, the life of all flesh is in the blood. The life of every human being is in the blood. Life is not in religion. Life is not in the language you speak. Our life is in our blood, not in our religion, not in our tribe. So, let us stop this killing in Kaduna State, in Plateau State, in Zamfara, in Katsina, in Kebbi, whatever killings are going on in Benue, whatever, in Taraba, in the whole of the Northeast. Let's stop this killing because we are one blood. When you shed blood, you are shedding your blood because human being is of one blood. I want this message to be played everywhere in our schools, religious schools, Bible schools, Quranic schools, Al-Majri schools, everywhere in the marketplace. I want signposts of this message. We are one blood. Christian, Muslim, Igbos, Yorubas, Hausas, Kanuris, thieves, Edomas, Baches, Birom, Ijos, Shakiri, whatever, the Ifig, the Bibios, we have one blood. I want a signpost of this message you put in every hospital. As you are entering the hospital, as you are entering school, let it be seen that we are one blood. With this message, we can defeat the evil that is killing us. I welcome you to One World, Same Blood Revolution at gmail.com. I want you to subscribe to this video, to this page. Write me. Together, I want to go to Kaduna State and hold a town hall meeting with religious leaders, with doctors. I want doctors to own this message. Educationists, religious, traditional leaders, I want you to own this message. In Kaduna State, we are one blood. I'm one blood with the sheikhs. I'm a pastor, but I'm one blood with all the pastors, all the reverend. I'm one blood with all the imams, all the sheikh. I'm one blood with the Sultan of Sokoto. I'm one blood with the Emir of Zauzau. I'm one blood with the Emir of Kano. We are all one blood. Let us own this message. Let us run with this message. And I guarantee you, we will bring peace to Kaduna State and to the entire North and to Nigeria as a whole. Welcome. God bless Kaduna State. Amen.